How to save in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Sheets. In Google Sheet, if you edit anything, it will auto-save. As you can see on top, it's showing saving of a format. Or if you want to simply save it in your device, click on File located on top left, and here you'll find Download. You can download in any format you want, as you will have all these options. Simply select one option and it will be downloaded in that option. As you can see, I chose Excel. If I open it, it will open in Excel format. This is how to save in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.